This is Dana. We're going to fade the sides from a 0.5 up to a 2.5. That eliminates all this weight, and then we're going to texturize the top, take some weight out here. We're going to leave the length in the back because we're growing it. And we're going to take some length off the bangs, but just a little bit, right? You like them choppy, right? Cool. So for Dana, we're using dry wax to get a chunkier, grippier, textured look. Dry shampoo. My favorite use for it is restyling on like day 2 or 3 where you had product in, but you want to restyle it. To apply, I get my fingers in there, kind of spread them out, and shake it.